Hi, in the last lecture, we have seen that how to add the pivot table, customize them, change the source data, and how to tackle the dynamic data. Now it's time to thinking of formatting. Formatting of pivot table, that means the look, feel, style, and design of the pivot table. The data which is in front of us is in number format, or we can say that not in any proper format. In the current pattern, the numbers are not easily readable or understandable. What can we do in this? Certainly, we can change the format of the numbers so that it can be easily readable for everyone. And it is very easy to do that. Just click on the headers of the column and go to the number format. Now, as you can see, there are many options like currency, date, percentage, fractions, scientific text, and many more. Since we are dealing in the currency, we will choose currency format right now. There are several options available. We will choose symbol say dollar and decimal place as a 0. As soon as we press OK, the entire column changes itself into currency format with the symbol dollar and its comma separator so that it is easily readable and understandable for everyone. Let's try for profit column also. Instead of putting our cursor in the header, we will put our cursor in the any cell of the column. Again, do the right click and choose a number format. Choose symbol as a dollar and negative place as a 0. And again press OK. As soon as we press OK, the entire column changes itself into currency format with the symbol dollar and comma separator. And that is easily readable and understandable for everyone. Even if we move order ID from rows to filter and move segment mode into rows, the format is still intact. And that is the beauty of the pivot table. Thank you.